Now guys, we're going to answer us here also.
No.
We're gonna post it. We posted the other one.
See you.
Don't say that's Kiwi's bell. Yeah, I just don't know. I'm gonna go to my phone.
You know what I want to use? Huh?
What?
Slap.
Did I tell mommy?
Yeah, I think I'm playing.
Actually, we're gonna use it. I'm gonna tell mommy. And we're gonna post it. And we're gonna put you in. Ow.
Come, where's my face, man? There's no face.
Put it in.
No face.
Don't worry. My sister might be get addicted by watching it. Actually, I don't get addicted just my There we go. Don't. How much time? She don't know how much time she's gonna turn. But I think we should make us a seesaw tomorrow also. Imagine we ate grubs now when it was matching grubs. And if I could have just bring my grub, we would have been. But in the night time, we will just make a normal ponytail now. Yeah, imagine you sell your hair for the night. Yeah, then you must model Siko. Sometimes, once now, my cousin, she dyed my hair. And so I had it on the whole night, the morning, and for the whole week. Do you think we should split our hair like this? Nah. Not now. Are you gonna sew it tomorrow? Or are you gonna sleep just so? I'm gonna take it off. I'm not gonna sew my emos because my bonnet is at home. Yeah. I'm gonna what you call it? I'm gonna make me a normal ponytail and sleep with it. Yeah. Oh my god, my brother is in the room. He must sleep. Now he's not in the room. Yeah. I think let's put a more lip gloss. Let me just put on my Alice pen. Look why without the Alice pen or without the eagle? Oh, both. Come and see how I look with that one. And you see how you look with this one. Yeah. Maybe Mahmouda gave me this one. I like this one. You can be that one. Yeah. I look cute.